Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to open 4 blaster boxes of 2018 Donruss Elite. You can find 1 auto or mem per box, and when I opened my first couple of these I thought for sure that I would only get mem cards, but I was pleasantly surprised that I got a couple of autographs. So hopefully this follows that pattern and I get a couple of autos out of this. I got 4, and these are 30 bucks at the retail stores, but you can get them much cheaper online. So of course that's what I did. I got this particular lot off eBay. Some of the sellers are trying to get 30, which I mean, I don't blame them for trying to get as much as they can, but I found a seller that was offering them a good bit cheaper. So I think if you look around a little bit, you probably find them, definitely find them less than 30. There are 20 cards in each box, which is obviously not a whole lot of cards, but you do get the one hit, and you might get a rookie, or you know, some of the insert parallels. I love the parallels in Donruss Elite. The hobby boxes are still pretty pricey. Yeah, there's only 4 packs. I was hoping that those would come down a little bit, but they just haven't. So I don't know if I'm going to get any more hobby right now, or at all. I mean, the price may stay high. I'll keep an eye on it though and see, because I would love to open some more of this. But I mean, if retail gives autographs, hey, that's okay with me too. Alright, Antonio Brown, Marquise Goodwin, a green parallel. The green parallels are retail exclusive. Matthew Stafford, and it also includes, as you can see, the insert cards are green versions too. Here's a nice face-to-face Brett Favre and Aaron Rodgers, and the last card is Kareem Hunt. This one feels thicker, so I think that probably is a mem card this time, unless there's a filler in there, which is possible. I don't remember if there were fillers in these or not. Brandon Cooks, Marcus Mariota, Von Miller green, a Matt Ryan primary colors green, and Ezekiel Elliott. So it's Terrell Suggs, Aaron Rodgers, a green James Washington rookie for the Steelers. It's nice to get a green rookie. Nick Foles dual threats green, and T.Y. Hilton. Now let's see what this hit is. We have Joey Bosa, Case Keenum, a Ryan Switzer dual relic elite coverage. Player worn, not numbered, but a good looking little card there. Field Vision green, Matthew Stafford, and the last card of this box is Luke Kuechly. Not too bad, not a bad blaster there. Let's see what number 2 has. Assuming I can get into it. I thought about picking up some of the hanger packs of this, and I stood there and debated and did not do it. I guess I still might get some of those. Let me see if I can find them online, since I did find these cheaper than in the store. I may try to shop around a little bit and see if I can get some of the packs. My new thing lately is I just kind of want to see, I want to see everything. I want to see this, whatever exclusive parallels come out of the, you know, rack packs, or you know, what can you get out of the blasters, what can you get out of the hobby box. Jalen Ramsey, Larry Fitzgerald, a Marcus Davenport autograph, yes, out of $2.99. Saints rookie sticker autograph, not bad at all. Field Vision green, Who is this? Le'Veon Bell? Yeah, Le'Veon Bell. And Jarvis Landry. AJ Green. Here's a James Washington numbered rookie to $6.99. So that's good. And a green Dak Prescott. That's good too. Green Marcus Mariota primary colors. What a great pack. Actually, this is a really good blaster. Allen Robinson, Kareem Hunt, a Marcus Allen rookie green, dual threats Des Bryant green, and Samaje, is it Perrine? I'm not sure. I need to hear the correct pronunciation of that. I've been calling him Perrine for the longest time, but I'm not sure that's correct. Luke Kuechly, Zeke, a green Alshon Jeffrey, green Spellbound Drew Brees, and Josh Gordon. Yeah, that was a very, very nice blaster box. Alright, number 3. They pack a lot of goodness into these 4 little packs. Alright, we have, looks like we have another autograph. I'll hold out on that. Build the suspense for a whole 2 minutes how to open these packs. But I am happy it looks like another autograph. That's cool. Derrick Henry, my man. Patrick Mahomes, Robert Woods green, Leonard Fournette primary colors. Cool. Deshaun Watson. Jimmy Graham, Robbie Anderson. I always call him Bobby. Sorry, dude. Here's a Harold Landry Titans rookie green. And dual threats, J.J. Watt, Robert Woods. Famous Jameis, a Braxton Berrios numbered rookie to $6.99. So that's what, 2 or 3 numbered rookies. Derek Carr green, Spellbound Von Miller with those weird elongated letters. It looks like it should be like an H. That's my only real complaint on that Spellbound insert set. Alright, we have Adam Thielen, Danny Amendola, and our autograph is Harold Landry. And it is numbered out of 99. Tennessee Titans rookie autographs. Great looking card. If it wasn't a sticker autograph, it'd be even better, but whatever. Face to face, Antonio Brown and Vontaze Burfict. And who is this? DeMarcus Lawrence. Alright, our last box. This has been good. If we can score another autograph, but I'll be alright if it's a mem card this time. If I could get 2 autographs and 2 mem, that'd be alright. It'd be as good as what you'd get in a hobby box. I mean, yeah, what was the hobby boxes? 2 autos, 1 mem, is that right? I can't remember now. Alright, Kenyon Drake. Looks like we have another autograph. That is really cool. Might have to pick up more of these. Chandler Jones, Joe Mixon, green Larry Fitz, green J.J. Watt primary colors, and a Russell Wilson. Matthew Stafford, Von Miller, Jerome Baker Dolphins green parallel rookie, Marcus Mariota dual threats green, and a Phillip Rivers. Christian McCaffrey, Mike Gesicki numbered rookie. That's a nice card. Again, $6.99. Green. And a Carson Wentz spellbound green, and Adam Thielen again. And our autograph is, we have TJ Watt and a green face-to-face AJ Green, Jalen Ramsey, Andrew Luck, and Denzel Ward. This is number 2, again /99. Little Browns rookie action there. So here's the little breakdown. This is the little stack. These are all base cards, and then a healthy stack of inserts and green parallels. Almost as many of those as there are base cards, and then ended up with 3 autographs and just 1 mem card. I am calling that a success. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back in my next video soon. Everybody take care.